Alexander Jesudasan, Dr. C.V. Jayanti, and all our exhibitors and friends who have come today to listen to our series on traditional Indian medicines and new normal innovativeness. How do we capture the essence of our Ayurveda, homeopath, and traditional Indian practices during COVID times and post-COVID times, which is called the new normal. But before that, a quick glimpse on what is Namaste Bharat to our guest tonight. Namaste Bharat is our global online, local to global exhibition, not just an exhibition of Indian products, but also an e-commerce platform which started on 29th October. This online platform has more than 300 exhibitors, to be very precise, 320 exhibitors, which they are showcasing more than 20,000 products. This event was inaugurated online by Nitin Gadkari ji, our MSME minister. And as organizers, we are thrilled to announce that our labor of love and contribution to our homeland, India. And this is a small initiative which has begun where we want to collaborate and connect our MSME buyers, our rural and urban entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, and artisans to the global buyers from different countries. So we have been every day, almost every day, last 15 days, having different webinars where we are inviting buyers of various clusters, because our MSME products range from organic grocery items to garments to luggage, electronics, wall clocks, jewelry, silver jewelry, hand woven stuff, and food items as well, right from agricultural items to organic items. At the same time, we have a large pool of diet products, a large pool of herbal supplements, wellness products, and Ayurveda products. So that's the purpose that we thought that today we will have a good discussion with eminent personalities from this industry and also introduce our suppliers to them. Without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. C.K. Ashok Kumar ji, our main chief guest for today. He's a towering personality. If I talk about his profile, it will probably take me an hour. So many things he has done in his lifetime. But a short introduction: he's an advisor, innovator, and educationist. He's a co-founder of the Sachet Revolution of India, global ambassador of the popular Ayushpati. He's the president of the Asia Pacific Vegan Union. He writes a lot, he talks, he's an expert, he mentors, and he's an inspiration to a lot of people. Dr. C.K. Ashok Kumar ji, over to you, sir. Just as a format, what we will do is we will give each speaker 10 minutes time, and we spend more time, sir, into Q&A, because our participants have very interesting questions to ask, and they themselves have also a lot of story behind their success of entrepreneurship. So over to you, Dr. C.K. Ashok Kumar. Tejas, you have to unmute.
Anyway, we don't have Dr. Kumar yet with us.
What is the name on the... Tejas, can you unmute?
Sorry?
L. Vijay Lakshmi.
Okay.
What is Dr. C.K. Ashok Kumar's ID?
we don't have Dr. C.K. Ashok Kumar yet, Purnima.
L विजय लक्ष्मी है. Can you unmute? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Namaste.
hi.
Namaste,
Namaste.
everyone.
Sorry, we took some time to search you.
Yeah. Namaste, all of you. And Purnimaji, it's nice. It's a great honor for me to take part in this event. And before I could come, you have already come and be about with our as guest of in the morning, and a very inspirational talk. The way you have adapted to the new normal is something extraordinary. As a woman, you have achieved something anything anybody can be proud of in a foreign land, and being here, and you are a great leader, inspiring many women, and also you are driving the spirit of entrepreneurship. The noble thing about this is so many millions of people will be interested or will be gaining a foothold in Singapore, which is one of the gateway to the world, and all the artisans, all the products from the small manufacturers and from the rural background. So it is a great opportunity. What you are providing is something great, showcasing their products, which they normally on their own will not be able to do. And this is exactly the philosophy of first world community, to serve, to bring in the spirit of entrepreneurship, be a job giver rather than a seeker. So our today topic has been on the healthcare. So you have gone rightly put the traditional medicines. So this is a very thrust area for first world community, and we have eminent doctors along with me, Dr. Jayanti, Dr. Gautaman, and Dr. Alex, who is a part of the Ayushpati. Ayushpati is a global forum of Ayush practitioners. So all the participants, and you may be aware that the yoga after Modi ji took over has become more than 200 countries have started practicing yoga, and this is the greatest gift of to the world from Bharat. Closely followed by that is our Ayurveda tradition, and you may be aware the Ayurveda and Siddha. These are the oldest form of treatments known to the mankind. So with all the treasure in our hand, we are unable today to take it forward to the global community, and the modern medicine or the allopathy has overshadowed the uh, goodness of Ayurveda and the Siddha tradition. So, and in contrast, I would say the Chinese traditional medicine has done extremely well. The Chinese traditional medicine as TCM is more popular in about 120 countries. So what is that we should do to make our old traditional medicine popular? In the COVID times, you must be knowing all our world traditions are practiced. People have started distancing, saying namaste instead of handshakes. They all the cow dung disinfectants, which is a rural tradition, is now being followed globally. And also people who come into the doorsteps when from the outside, they leave their slippers or chappals, they wash their hands and feet and enter. The, agarbattis and the dhoops have become very popular. So these are all traditions which I think which is known to India. When the smallpox and chicken pox was there, so we practiced the self quarantine by neem leaves. So this is the oldest form known to us, and now it is all coming back. So, for example, the Indian concoction of the herbs, the Siddhas and the Ayurveda is globally popular. But when it comes to standardization, what they have, it is somewhat an anomaly to compare a different tradition with the standard what you have. So it is like measuring the ocean with a small a vessel what you have in hand, because Ayurveda and Siddha deals with the holistic wellness, body, mind, and spirit, whereas the modern medicine and allopathy does not give any recognition to the soul aspect of it. The holistic wellness is what is followed by the Ayurveda and the Siddha tradition. So I think the way forward would be to integrate the Ayurveda, which is the allopathy or the modern medicine, which has the very valuable diagnostic values, and they are very good in identifying or diagnosing the disease. That has to be integrated with the Ayurveda and the Siddha, and the way forward, the next development is the artificial intelligence when combined with the our in the Indian medicine or the modern diagnostics. This is the best way, integrating technology, integrating our Ayush, the old tradition, and also the diagnostics of the modern medicine. So this combination is going to be the future, and we are all working towards it. And we have a great expert with us, Dr. Gaudaman, who has established more than 2 decades of experience and about 18 Ayurveda hospitals in Tamil Nadu. And he has been manufacturing the Kabasura Kudineer is a herbal concoction which is very effective for the COVID. And if you one tries this herbal concoction along with the yoga, I think you need not go for any vaccine. We say we have a greatest treasure of immunity within ourselves. The trigger that immune power, you have a great mind vaccine within you. The greatest asset, what treasure you have is the mind. So have that access to the mind vaccine instead of going and searching for a vaccine, which may or which may not come or which may not be effective for the humanity. So I would like all other people to talk, and finally I will come and conclude the session. And thank you for opportunity. I will hand over to Dr. Gaudaman to share his views on Ayurveda and the present COVID. What are the solutions Ayurveda and Siddha can offer to the mankind? And he has got a lot of products which through Namaste Bharat can be showcased to the world. Over to you, Dr. Gautaman.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. And thank you, Purnima ji, for giving me a wonderful
Dr.
opportunity.
Gautaman, before you start, I would like to introduce you to the participants. Welcome, Dr. Gautaman. Over 2 decades of experience in consulting patients globally, a prolific exponent in the art of healing, has rich expertise, forms the intersections between alternative medicine, natural healing, Ayurveda, and medicinal technology. Dr. Gautaman, a certified Ayurvedic practitioner. We really are thankful to you for coming and gracing the occasion. Of course, please do not leave after your session, because we have our suppliers, our exhibitors of the similar products who would like to, ask questions and even share their thoughts with you.
Sure,
Over
sure.
to you.
Thank you very much, Purnimaji. Thank you, Ashok sir, for an wonderful opportunity. Myself, I am Dr. Gautaman. I would call myself as a Ayurpreneur because I'm not seeing Ayurveda just for practice. I'm seeing Ayurveda for everybody is a concept I'm trying to work on. Like 50, 60 years back, if you look at it, most of the products we used or most of the like lifestyles are were on par with the principles of Ayurveda. The world were very healthy, but now last 60 years we call something industrialization and modernization. These two words came into our life. Today we see all of us are taking some medicine or something as a supplement to live normal life, so called normal life. So we are trying to change it. We are trying to change it not just in terms of medicines. We are trying to change it with the help of lifestyle modifications. So in our organization, we don't just give consultation and medicines to people. We try to understand the lifestyle modification, what they require in terms of lifestyle, in terms of sleep, in terms of diet, in terms of unknowingly people does mistakes, like they say like we sleep 7 hours a day, but the 7 hours supposed to be from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Not like people go to the bed around 12 o'clock and get up around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. They say still I have a 7, 8 hours sleep. No, that's not really good for the health. So we try to make them understand and create a process where people slowly come out of the condition and slowly get rid of the medicines. For me, allopathy medicine or Ayurveda medicine or Siddha medicine, anything is a medicine. So a doctor's job is supposed to make sure the patient, the person live without medicine is the goal. So our organization, Sri Varma Ayurveda Hospitals, we make that as a primary principle of a practice. So we try to teach everybody, understand, make them understand how to live a life without medicines. So our goal is to make sure the community live with principles, not with medicines. So that is what we are trying to do here. About our organization, we are about 20 years old, and we have about 947 Ayurveda, Siddha, nutraceutical, and OTC products available with us. We widely market it across the state of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Pondicherry, and Kerala. So all our products are available online also. Most of these products, 80% of these products are OTC products, over the counter products. It is not meant for any specific illness, but it is meant for general health. And but as a person, I don't believe in selling products. I believe in selling concepts to people. People has to understand primarily why this product is required, why we can live happily with food, exercise, and diet, not with medicines or nutraceutical products. That's a goal we have. That's a campaign I always do with people. uh, Apart from it, we have about 20 hospitals established in the state of Tamil Nadu. We consult over 1,500 patients a day. And, most of the services, what we offer, except the, medicines, other things, we offer them free of charges. Like the yoga is completely free service. We call it as a rehabilitation service where people are rehabilitated, whether they are for illness or for wellness. It is completely the rehabilitation services start from the yoga, meditation, acupuncture, acupressure, or even for some patients when they need the Ayurveda Panchakarma therapies as a free service, we do provide it. So our core area is a product selling. Our service area is consultation and rehabilitation. This is what we do. We are in 20 locations in the state of Tamil Nadu, one at Pondicherry, one at Bangalore, that is Karnataka, and two being established at Hyderabad and Telangana. This is the presence we have. Apart from it, we have a robust online presence where like people can consult us. We have a doctors, 20 doctors team who help people online digitally. People take up a call, video consultation, and other things we are doing. We are a simple Ayurveda company trying not to just sell products. We want to sell concept and health to patients. That is what we do. And that's the brief I want to give. And over to you, Purnima.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Gautaman. May I now invite Dr. J.D. Alexander Jetsudasanji is here. Yeah, is Dr. J.D. Alex here? He's
Yeah.
president of the International Association of Ayushpati. With vast clinical experience, he has gained expertise in treating a number of complicated and chronic diseases. He intends to bring about a consciousness of holistic wellness through Siddha and Ayurvedic system of medicine. Welcome, Dr. J.D. Alexander. Sir. Over to you.
Hello, Purnima.
Hi.
Yeah. Namaste. Yeah, very nice to have you.
Thanks for
yeah.
calling you at a very short notice. Really, thank you.
Thank you. Really, it's a great pleasure for me to be here, to be a part of this event. And I personally thank the event organizers for inviting me and to share my experience and to share about my activities. And first of all, my heartily thanks to Dr. C.K. Ashok Kumar, founder president of First World Community, and he is ambassador for our association, Ayushpati. And really, I am privileged to have him as our associate. And again, I want to say hello and greetings to Dr. Gautaman. Really, he's a very potential person. I know him well, and he's an eminent personality in the field of Ayurveda, because many people speak about Ayurveda, and many people they will be in the back, and they will not be in the limelight. But Dr. Gautaman is practicing and speaking, and is a practical Ayurvedic person. As he told you earlier, that he's not an Ayurvedic doctor, he's an Ayurvedic trainer. So he's giving a lot of opportunities to many people. And so in that way, I really congratulate him, and I wish him. And I also welcome Dr. Jayanti, who is a part in this event also. So before that, I just want to say a few words about me. I'm Dr. Alexander Jesdasan. I'm basically I'm a Siddha doctor, and I'm trained in Ayurvedic Panchakarma also from KAPL, Alua, Kerala. And my core area is practice. And initially, I was working with Rallis Pharmaceuticals, and I gained a lot of experience in herbal drug formulation. And apart from my practice, I am also running a pharmaceutical company, the Medzone Pharmaceuticals, located in Pondicherry. And we do pharma products and nutraceuticals. And so I am well exposed to this herbal drug development, and how we can convert our age-old wisdom into a scale-up product, and how it can be benefited to the humankind. That is our ultimate aim. And in that way, we are doing a lot of service. And apart from that, I am very proud to be introduce myself as the president for Ayushpati, an international organization for promoting Ayush wellness. And the thing is, with the world history dating back to time immemorial, India has a unique advantage of the traditional system of medicine. The entire Ayush system, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, and the yoga. So the entire Ayush system, our ultimate aim of Ayushpati is to take the message of Ayush system across the globe, because our Ayushpati is a common platform for roping in all people, all experts who are having real interest to promote our system, and to take this message, beautiful message of healing message, throughout the world. So in that way, we have associated with so many doctors and scientists, industrialists, institutions, and entrepreneurs, herbal cultivators, and therapists, everybody who are, and along with that, we are also having in our Ayurvedic community the people who are interested in promoting Ayurveda, not only doctors, not only pharmacists. So all those who want to promote the system of medicine, we just want to gather them under one single umbrella. It is a global platform. Through this platform, we are doing a lot of activities. And in Malaysia, we have Ayushpati Malaysia. In Singapore, we have. In Sri Lanka, we have. And in USA, in Canada, and in Dubai. In all parts of the globe, we are doing activities. And initially, especially during this COVID lockdown situation, we were conducting a lot of webinars, and we are spreading the message of Ayush throughout the globe, and many people are benefited, and still they are getting benefited, because in Singapore, Ayushpati, we are doing every day 365 days seminar we are doing. So every day one doctor will talk about one topic, and the question answering sessions will be there. So the people, they're getting a lot of awareness, and we are really proud that we have created awareness on our system. And in that way, Ayushpati is doing a wonderful job. And apart from that, we are also having a magazine, international journal for research articles, review articles, and it is on the way. We applied for the ISSN, and very soon we will release our first journal. So the name is AIMS, Advances in Oil System of Medicine and Integrated Medicine, because only through research we can keep our foothold in other part of the world. Because nowadays people, they are having awareness about oil system, but they are not accepting the product as a medicine. A lot of people are selling product throughout the globe, but they are selling it as a nutraceutical. So it is not going in the form of medicine. So for that, we need a lot of evidence-based documentation, and in that way, we have to prove that our medicines are very safe. They are efficacy. They are having efficacy, and they are safety. So in that way, we are doing a lot of research articles, and we have a scientific team also to validate all the traditional medicines, and to announce the world that our medicines are safe, and they are the best medicine for the human society. So in that way, we are doing different activities throughout the world, and many people across the globe are associating with them. And uh, apart from that, as Dr. Gautaman told, that we have to sell concept instead of product. That is the right way of doing things. When the people know the good things about the concept, automatically they will start using our product. Our In our system, our the way our products are acting is totally different. Actually, God has created human being with a beautiful healing system inbuilt. We have a beautiful healing system inbuilt. The thing is, we need very minimized drugs and the nutraceuticals to promote and to make the healing system activate. The thing is, we are not at all activating our human healing system. Whenever we have a small headache, immediately we just go for an anti-inflammatory or antipyretic tablets like paracetamol. But the thing is, we should allow some time for our own healing system to get activated, and it will take care of things. Most of our Ayurvedic and Siddha system drug aims at restoring the balance, because in a diseased condition, the balance is not. The balance is not in balance. That the homeostasis mechanism will be disturbed, and the ultimate aim of the drug should restore the balance that we used to say vada, pitta, and kapha. These are the humus of the body. When they become normalized and when they are in balance, they will take care of the health of the body. That is what in our COVID situation also, our patients, especially in India, those who took this integrated medicine, they proved well, other than other people who only took that modern system of medicine. So what message I am telling to tell here is, integrated system is really worthful, and it is really efficacy in treating this unknown. And see, we don't know what are all the diseases will come in the future. Every day, every year, we are getting new. We are acquainted to new viruses and new type of disease. The ultimate aim is not to find out the antiviral or antibacterial drug. we have to immunize our own body, and our body should be accustomed to all forthcoming diseases. So it should fight on its own. So when you restore the normalcy in the body, when you strengthen your immune system of the body will take care of the rest of the thing, and we least bother about whatever comes in future. So in that way, oil system definitely is going to benefit the entire humankind, and the Ayush product that we are going to promote in now and also in future, definitely it is going to be a prosperous thing for the entire world. Every people all through the world will look at us, and it is time is coming. Already it has come. So we are towards it, and all these events and what are all the things we are going to do to promote all these things, definitely it will get through that the people will get benefited. And I thank one and all and our organizers for this invitation, and for being part of this, and thank you. And over to Dr. Jayanti. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. J.D. Alexander Jesudasanji. It was an insightful talk. And of course, our exhibitors are very keen to know more about how we will join hands with you at Ayushpati. So once we are over with the speaking panelists, we will go to the question and answers.
Thank you.
I would like to introduce Dr. C.V. Jayanti. She is the founder of Manushi Yoga Research Foundation, a doctorate in yoga. Dr. C.V. Jayanti is a leading health and wellness educator and also a plant-based nutrition trainer and a very prolific public speaker. Over to you and welcome, Dr. C.V. Jayanti. Ma'am, you want to share some slides?
I am from the place called Chidambaram. Chit means consciousness and Ambaram means Akash. Okay. So this is the etheric place, cosmic land of yoga, where yoga originated. And the dance of Lord Nataraja is as represented in Tao of Physics. It is in CERN also. It is a movement of the pranayama body. So this temple itself is an embodiment of yoga, and all the siddhas like Patanjali, Thirumolar, Vyakrapadar have visited this temple. Chidambaratthirkku செல்லாத சித்தர்களும் உண்டோ. Like that, there are 72,000 nadis in our body. Like that, there are 72,000 nails, and 21,600 times we breathe. Like that, there are 21,600 golden tails packed with. There are 9 gates in our body. Like that, there are 9 klasas like that. So nearby this temple, Saint Valalar Yoga Ragashya of Vainava tradition was contributed by Nadamuni. He hails from Katamanarkudi, and Kriya Babaji from Parangipete, and Saint Raghavendra from Bhuvanagiri. So our institute was started on 1995 March 5th, and it is integrated with Annamalai University, Yoga Alliance, City Metropolitan College, and International Association of Yoga Therapists. The main aim is to promote global well-being through empowering self for a peaceful and prosperous world. So we offer regular part-time online program in yoga teacher training of Yoga Alliance 300 hours and 500 hours, Garbha Deepika, Bala Deepika and graded programs, diploma, PG diploma, MSc in yogic science, seminars in yoga, workshops, retreats and camps. So we are not only focusing on yoga alone, we are going into the specialization like plant-based nutrition, yoga and panchakarma, yoga for children with disabilities in aqua yoga, and applied yogic science is nothing but yoga therapy. So we have trained our students, and we have been training in India, China, Malaysia, Singapore, Oman, Sri Lanka, Sweden and USA. So this is myself. I'm the founder of Manish Yogic Research Foundation, secretary of Yes Trust, International Vegetarian Union, London. I am the council member. Advisory Board, PCRM, Secretary in the International Tamil Veg Union. We have written the books for UGC, University Grants Commission, and YCP, that is QCI Quality Council India, and Reverse Book and World Peace Diet. It is written by, we have translated that book by Dr. Will Chutel. So we have meticulously planned the curriculum for many universities because we were the pioneer in bringing yoga to the academic curriculum. Okay, so we have written lessons also. We have trained more than 50,000 students. Our approach is an integrated approach. We don't focus on one system of yoga. We focus on the tradition and the scientific aspects of yoga. So we have great appreciation from our trainees, and our trainees are well placed. That is our main aim. Okay, so our place is the place that we can able to read the Akashic records. So we integrate the various types of Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Tantra Yoga, like that, integrated with Ayurveda, naturopathy, and Siddha medicine. So our uniqueness is from womb to geriatric. We have programs, and we have faculties who have more than 20 years of experience, yogis, doctorate, and physicians. We have a good wide network, India and abroad. Our area of specialization of research is science-based spirituality, women empowerment, from medication to meditation, Vedanta in neuroscience, Garbhadipika, early childhood education, and intelligence of fetus, empowerment of children's mental health, impact of yoga postures on physical, psychological variables, effect of pranayama and meditation on neuroscience. We have been guiding for many PhD, MPhil scholars, and we have been in yoga and memory and panchakarma. So apart from that, we conduct retreat also for diabetic wellness, healthy heart, healthy weight, breath wellness, healthy joints, like that. It is a holistic approach consisting of yoga, EFT, nutrition, stress management, sleep, mindset, and science. So the plant-based nutrition is unique of its nature based on the dietary lifestyle, not only the lifestyle, dietary lifestyle. We help them how to choose the food, like that, and how to change, how to cook tasty food, what will be the alternate or replacement. Suppose if you are not supposed to eat something, like that. Okay, so yoga teacher training also we do. Now we do it in online because of the COVID situation. And our main empowerment is how to educate from the fetus to up to 13 years, because they should be empowered. Today we are in a stressful world, and our students, our future generation should not have this problem. That is our main vision. So we help in vision, goal setting, memory, self-esteem, affirmation, personality, yoga, like that. And it is educating the fetus, mother and baby, bonding, healthy mother. So this is some of our photo galleries. Our institutes training in various places in and around India and abroad. Okay, so we have yoga and panchakarma. This is memory development in ORC in Delhi, and this is for QCI. And we have been into global Ayurveda fest, like that. And for international training in Rishikesh, Kerala, Bangalore, like that, we conduct regular programs, and our students are very happy and well placed. This is yoga and panchakarma program in Kerala, because we need the necessity to connect the yoga and the panchakarma therapist. And this is plant-based nutrition program conducted in Ramakrishna Mission. This is IVU, and Ashok ji was the person who introduced me to plant-based nutrition. Thank you, sir, for introducing me. And I have been to Malaysia, like that, Nepal, for this program. And we conduct this retreat program. So this is Garbha Deepika, educating the fetus, and that was my research study. In China also, we train frequent visitor to China and training many students in China, and that is in functional anatomy. Okay. This is in Malaysia. We have given in colleges, Indian High Com, like that. And this is Government of India conducts one program for yoga teachers, a standardization program, like that. And that program we have trained, we are the first to say that we have qualified more than 378 persons appeared for one day itself in a small place called Chidambaram. So they were all astonished. Okay, and we conducted a yoga day at Chennai, Malaysia, Ramakrishna Mission, and we have presented our papers in various institutions. So this is about our journey. Our main aim is to focus on yoga teachers training and yoga therapist training, because in this COVID situations, everybody is affected. In comorbidity condition, we should not leave our future generations to this level, and we should make them empowered and how to enhance the pranic energy. So we gave many online lectures and training for COVID, how to manage this COVID virus like that. And this is about ourselves. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Jayanti, so much.